Good morning, guys. Come spend the day with me preparing Bruno and Candy's breakfast. So, guys, now I'm chopping some sweet potatoes and I'll be chopping some carrots as well, and I will give it for boiling, and I'll be making water poached eggs for them along with little broccoli. So, yeah, that's about it. I'll just show it to you in a while. So of late I have also been trying to give them more natural food. They used to have breakfast for their kibble, but now I'm trying my best to give them some natural food and switch completely to homemade food, because I do not trust kibble 100%. I mean, the vets do say that it's good and that you should have kibble once a day, and that's what they used to do, but I don't know. Come, let's go. So I have chopped some sweet potatoes, some carrots, some broccoli and some beans, and I've set them for boiling. Once they are done, I'll be making water poached eggs, and then I'll show you all. Bruno and Candy waiting eagerly for breakfast. Okay. So here I have cracked open some eggs in water to make it like a water poach. So I add no salt, no pepper, nothing. Candy doesn't like it that way. She prefers a little garnishing, so I've added a little clarified butter or ghee. Come. This is how the eating session mostly goes. Bruno finishes his bowl very early, while Candy takes a lot of time. Yep. He's done with his breakfast and happy right now. Now he'll sit here and wait for Candy to finish her food so he can have her leftovers as well. That's what goes on in our house. See? Candy baby, have the blueberries. Have the blueberries. Madam has finished all she could. Yeah, she has left this as always. Now our serve will come and finish this. Come, come, kind of. Kind of. Yeah, the cleaning up. All for today, guys. Thank you so much for staying with us throughout. Bruno, say bye. Okay. Bye bye.